Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the count function in Microsoft Access. This is a powerful feature that allows you to quickly calculate the total number of entries in your database fields, making data analysis much more efficient. To get started, open your Microsoft Access app and load your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin working with the count function. This might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so be patient while everything loads up properly. Now that you're in, click on the Create tab located at the top part of your screen. This is where all your essential tools are located for building queries and managing your database. From the Create tab, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This will open up the Query Design workspace where you'll be able to set up your count function. Next, you'll need to add your tables to the query. Look at the right side panel where the Add Table menu is located. Click on the table or tables you want to work with. This step is important because you need to select the data source that contains the field you want to count. Once you've added your tables, you'll see them appear in the Query Design window. Now comes the actual process of using the count function, which is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. First, add the asterisk from your table. This represents the All Fields option and ensures you're working with a complete data set. You'll see this asterisk in the field list of your table. In the next blank column, this is where you'll type in your count function. Type count followed by an open parenthesis, then add in the specific field you wish to count. After selecting your field, close the parenthesis. For example, if you're counting customer IDs, it would look like count open parenthesis, customer ID close parenthesis. Make sure your syntax is correct to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your count function, simply click on Run located on the top left part of your screen. Access will process your query, and within moments you'll see the total count of all the entries from the field you specified. This gives you an instant overview of how many records exist in that particular field, which is incredibly useful for data analysis and reporting. And that's it. You've successfully used the count function in Microsoft Access to analyze your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.